to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys, I was going to say tell and then say show. Yeah, I'm always getting tongue-tied all the time. But someone showed me something that I wanted to share with you guys because I have never heard of this little object thingy that I'm gonna show you, but and I haven't tried it yet, so I do want to just show you guys because I know a lot of people have heard about it. So this little thingy, can you see it? So this is called a Yoni egg, and now the lingo is Yoni. Now everybody is saying Yoni because it means vagina. Whoa, whoa. But yeah, so what you do is this is an egg, so that hence Yoni egg. So you insert this into your vagina, and it just sits there. So it's for me, I feel like it's almost similar to like Kegel balls, like the balls. So I feel like it's similar to that. So the difference with the yoni egg is that it's supposed to send off like, like good vibrations and increase your let me see. Let me just read this thingy. Hold on, because I won't be sitting here making stuff up. Let me see. So the story dates back to China, and the empresses using the yoni egg to awaken their sensuality and maintain amazing health. So they wanted that thing to be right and tight when they got up in their age. Hey, I don't blame you. So this yoni is, the meaning of the yoni is a sacred place, of course. So that's what your little honey pot is, a little sacred place. So guard that with your life. So let's see the benefits. The benefits of the yoni egg. It said the yoni egg isn't just an exquisite accessory that will add charm to your nightstand. It's just a great tool for Kegel exercises or a way to maintain health, have better orgasms, ding ding, and more fulfilling sex, ding 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 ding, ding 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 ding. The yoni egg is an ancient sacred tool for spiritual transformation. So for those who are, I feel like this is more of a belief thing. I was telling my friend, I feel like this is more of a belief thing with the benefits of it and what is said to do. But I'm willing to try it out, and I will definitely let you guys know how it goes. I was going to say how it feels, but I'll let you guys know that too. But it does come in like 3 sizes: small, medium, large. And this one is actually the small. So yeah, but it said that you're supposed to start at the bigger one and work your way down. But the bigger one, okay, so this is the small. So the large or medium, I'm assuming is maybe that much bigger. And then probably not that much. Maybe the medium is that much bigger, and then the large is that much bigger. I'm just going based off what the pictures look like. But this is a small, and I mean, I don't think I'll have any problems with this. So I guess you only keep it in for about 8 to 10 hours, and then take it out, wash it, and keep it moving. But you can get these. This is stone, as I said. So you can get different types of crystal rocks, and because all the crystal rocks, they have meanings. So you can get whatever you feel your body needs, whatever. and you put that thing up there and go. But let's look at some of these benefits though. So increases libido and awaken your sensuality, said that. Increases natural lubrication at any age. So they might need to put these on the end caps of the stores for a lot of people. Not me, but a lot of other people. Um, Develop an intimate and loving relationship with your yoni, your entire body, and ultimate. Okay, whatever. Let me see. Become much more orgasmic. That's a big one. Increases sensitivity during intercourse. I don't know if that's, I mean, I don't know about that one. Sensitivity in what way? Okay. Let's see. But we're gonna move on from that one. Don't really know. But let's see. Here's another one. Gain control over the vaginal, the vaginal, the vaginal muscles and rock your lover's world. Can't wait to do that to my invisible lover. Let's see. It says some women that use yoni eggs report a reduction of PMS symptoms, menstrual cramps, and the duration of the menses. Oh my God, I so need to wear this thing like all the way up until my period comes on, because my period is a hot damn mess and so disrespectful every month. Lord. Let's see. It says it improves overall health and well-being. I mean, this must be a real magic crystal. So we gonna see what it does, and I will give you guys an update, because I'm pretty, I'm pretty curious to see what's gonna happen. And it has like this little bead on the end, so you don't get it lost in your vagina, and you have to put your fingers in there and do all that gross stuff. But yeah, this is the yoni egg for your yoni or your sacred place. So you guys should check this out. I will definitely list down below where I got mine from, which I'm gonna order the medium one, and I think I'm only gonna go from medium to this small, but I feel like the large would just be too big for me, period. That's just me. I mean, y'all can do whatever y'all want to do with your vagina, but for mine, I think that I'm gonna go from the medium to the small. So, and of course it can't be but so much bigger. But yeah, this should be exciting. I'm kind of curious to try this, and also try out the V Spot. Is somewhere here in Charlotte, so I'm definitely gonna check out the V Spot. Actually, I'm gonna look that up now. The V Spot. Oh, I think I was saying the V Spot, but it's called V Spa Charlotte. Like V, letter V, Spa, S-P-S. Lord, I cannot talk. Maybe because it's like 12 o'clock and I should be asleep instead of, doing what I'm doing. But I'm going to do it anyway. Okay. It's called V Spa Charlotte. It's a holistic medicine where you go get your vagina steamed, where you sit on the seats and it steams your vagina. So it get it right and tight, Do not put your yoni egg in and try to go to this V Spa, because I'm like kind of scared that when I go to the bathroom that I might push it out or something. I mean, I don't know. I have no idea. But I might feel like I need to push and then accidentally push and it comes out in the toilet or something, because I'm just going to let it go. I'm not putting my hand in there. But yeah. Okay, so my pictures aren't coming up. I guess that's what happens when you have Sprint. Okay, Sprint. Well, we gonna let it go. It's either Sprint or, DirecTV. One of them. I don't know. Alright, well, that's the yoni egg. Have I been saying yoni ball? This is the yoni egg. So you guys click the link, go check it out. And oh shit, I'm gonna break it before it even gets in my vagina. I gotta make sure it has no cracks in it, so it doesn't, cut up my walls or anything. Okay, I think it's good. And they give you this little cute bag, so you can put your little egg in here, which I probably should do since I keep dropping it. And just keep it, at your bedside, wherever you need to keep it, in your bathroom. All right, well, that's it. Go click the link, like, subscribe, and comment on this video. My pictures still haven't loaded. I swear, Sprint is a hot mess. It's either Sprint or my phone. I don't know which one it is. We're going to say it's both, but I'm going to say it's more Sprint. But still, like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. I would love to see your comments. I want to talk back to people. We need to get my subs up. Let's get them up to at least 200 people. Show me that you're loving my content and everything that I have going on my channel. Your appreciation is greatly appreciated. Also, you can go check out my podcast on every platform that you can listen to a podcast on. It's called the Hour of Power with Kieyotia, which will also be linked down in the description box. And my blog, which is on WordPress, livinglowkey.wordpress.com. Check out my podcast, rate it on iTunes, leave me a comment, subscribe to it. That will be greatly appreciated as well. I love all of your support, and subscribe to my blog. What else? If there's anything else that I'm missing, I'm sure you guys will tell me. But other than that, I will see you guys later, and yeah, live beautiful, people.